intoxicated, queen of my thoughts. A series of small moments has been formed. If you come close, my heart quietly says yes. If you come close, slowly everything opens up, yes. This heart beats only with your name. The heartbeats are only with your name. These breaths are connected with your name. These confusions are with your name. Your intoxication is taken over.